Very good morning, friends. Right now we are at Hingewadi, Pune. It is a Blue Ridge apartment, one of the premier apartments here. Friends, you can see the high rises here. Now let's have a glimpse of the campus. And believe me, right now we are at the 4th floor. So all this leisure area, the lawn, the swimming pool are in the 4th floor. Green, lushy lawn along with the playground area, you can see. A nice walking track is also here. You can see the Western Ghats is not too far from here. You can see the pool just behind me. It is of around 4 feet depth and absolutely safe for the kids. The circular part of this pool is for the kids. This is the gym of this complex, and you can see what a beauty. The Western Ghats are so nearby. Lot of construction works are going on in the adjacent areas. Now I am going out of the swimming pool and gym complex. Here is a very nice Shiva temple. You can see an aged lady is worshipping the god. Right behind me there is one basketball court, and just adjacent to that there is party area and bonfire area. You can easily understand and appreciate the abundant beauty of this whole complex. I am here for last one day, but I have no doubt to say that I had a very pleasant experience here. You all know Hingewadi area is specially for those people who are at IT sectors. So all the renowned IT companies are settled here. They are having offices just nearby this campus. So these are the Embassy and Q Space office parks. You can see the Quebec, Tata Technologies, all renowned IT companies, office spaces are all nearby.
Now gradually I am walking down towards the river side, and it is worth to mention the greenery and the nature have been well preserved here in this Blue Ridge locality to the maximum extent possible. Come, let's have a look what are the amenities available in this Blue Ridge locality.
There are plenty of eating joints, departmental stores are there, and obviously all those young IT professionals, they used to throng here, especially in the weekends. One pub also I can see. There is no doubt this is one of the most happening place in Hingewadi. And just behind that, great greenery I can see there.
Stay tuned folks for more amazing contents.